Hi kids, I'm here with new English lesson. How are you all? I hope you all are shining brightly. Very good. Okay, now children, you know that we have done few letters and their sounds also. So today, first we will learn about new letter. But before that, we will revise the previous letters and their sounds. Now, look at this letter. Which letter is this? This is letter A. Very good. And what is the sound of the letter A? A. Well done. Okay. Now tell me, which letter is this? Letter B. Very good. Okay. Now tell me, what is the sound of letter B? B. The letter B sound is B. Very nice. Okay. Now tell me, which letter is this? Letter C. Well done. And what is the sound of letter C? K. Good. Okay. Now tell me, which letter is this? Letter D. And what is the sound of letter D? D. Well done. Okay. Now tell me, which letter is this? Letter E. And what is the sound of letter E? Do you remember what is the sound of letter E? A. Very good. The sound of letter E is A. Well done. Okay. Now today we will learn about new letter. And do you know which letter is that? That is letter F. Which letter is this? Letter F. And do you know what is the sound of letter F? What is the sound of letter F? Very good. Okay, now repeat it. Letter F, and the sound of letter F is, the sound of letter F is very good. Okay, let's sing F song, letter F song. Okay. Now children, today we will learn about letter F. Okay, we will learn about letter F and its sound. Now let's see how many words we can make with the sound of letter F. Okay, now tell me, what is this? What is this? Flower. Flower. Okay, very nice. Okay, we will paste flower here. Flower. Okay, now tell me, what is this? Finger. You have finger in your hand. Show me your finger. Show me your finger. Well done. Finger. What is this? Finger. Okay. I will paste finger here. I will paste finger here. Okay. Now, finger. Flower. Okay. Now tell me, what is this? This is feather. What is this? Feather. Okay. Now I will paste feather here. Feather. Finger. Flower. Well done. Okay, now tell me, what is this? This is a frog. What is this? Frog. Very good. Okay, I will paste frog here. Frog. Finger. Feather. Flower. Well done. Okay, now tell me, what is this? Fish. What is this? Fish. Fish. Okay, I will paste fish here. Okay, I will paste fish here. Okay, now fish, flower, feather, finger, frog. One more thing. What I have? I have fox. What is this? Fox. Fox. Okay, I will paste fox here. Now children, you can see here are letter F friends. These are letter F friends. Okay, let's revise them. F, feather, flower, fish, fox, frog, finger. Okay. Now my lesson is finished. Bye bye. Revise it in home. Bye bye.